What is Pegasus spyware and how did it target Indians on WhatsApp? At least 24 Indian academics, lawyers, Dalit activists and journalists were targeted for surveillance for 2 weeks until May 2019 on WhatsApp. Israeli cybersecurity firm NSO's technology, Pegasus, sent exploit links to people to penetrate their phone's security without their knowledge. Once installed, Pegasus could extract users' private data, passwords, texts, and even voice calls. Assaulting truth. The social network writer criticizes Zuckerberg. Aaron Sorkin, the writer of the 2010 American biographical drama film, The Social Network, about Facebook's origin, criticized the platform's co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg in an open letter, noting that Zuckerberg had called the movie a lie. Sorkin criticized Facebook's recent policy that lets politicians lie in ads. That's not defending free speech, Mark. That's assaulting truth, he said. Optimistic that U.S.-China will come to trade agreement. Apple CEO Tim Cook, at the iPhone maker's fourth quarter earnings call, said that he is optimistic that the U.S. and China will come to a trade agreement. A Bloomberg report on Thursday suggested that Trump might rescind some tariffs in an initial phase of a trade agreement. Trump administration in September imposed a 15% tariff on Chinese imports. Israel firm hacked into phone via video call on WhatsApp. Israel's NSO group allegedly helped its clients hack into cell phones by exploiting a WhatsApp vulnerability that allowed its Pegasus malware to be installed via a video call. The malware allowed NSO's clients, said to be government agencies, to access victims' SMSs, emails, browsing history and contacts. It can also activate the camera and microphone, record calls and capture screenshots. I wrote to WhatsApp in March. Got no response. Spyware attack victim Nagpur-based lawyer Nihal Singh Ratted, representing Bhima Corrigan accused Surendra Gadling, said he wrote to WhatsApp in March 2019 after receiving suspicious WhatsApp video calls, but received no response. He said he received video calls from unknown international numbers starting with +31 and +45 in 2017 as well as 2019. WhatsApp today confirmed that Indians were targeted by Pegasus spyware.